Hello, I'm Raveen, son of KRISHNAN. Today I would like to explain about the product we made, which is Smart Table from WCFR company. This is our organizational chart. I am Raveen, son of KRISHNAN, as the CEO of WCFR company, and we have CHU ZI HUAO as the technician, product manager which is NURFARISYA YASMIN, finance manager which is WONG. So now I will explain about the project distribution. For the project introduction, I will explain about it, which is me, Ravin. For user manual, for one main process selected. For administrator view, will be explained by CHU ZI HUAO. User manual for one main process selected for normal user view will be explained by Farisha Yasmin. Then we have 5 suggestions to your client to ensure the system are secure from cyber attacks that I will explain about it later. So then we have plan to perform system changeover for this project. This is will explained by KUAN, and we also have the best backup that suit the best for this project. This will also explained by KUAN, and we have a way how client able to save the cost in system implementation phase. This will explain by CHU ZI HUAO, and finally about the project conclusion will be explained by Fresha Yasmin. So this is the introduction of the project. We shall go through our goals in further details in this report. We discuss how to protect yourself from cyber attacks and how to create a solid backup strategy to avoid data loss. We have created a user manual for both administrators and regular users so that they are not confused about how to use our software. We also describe how our product system switch will take place. This is for people who wish to replace their old system with a new one after buying our product.
Hi, my name is CHU ZI HUAO and I will continue the presentation with giving the user menu for one-man process selected for the admin view. So here we will guide the admin how to find and download the data or report from the system. So first, the admin need to log into the system, so they can only use their admin account to log in. So after they are successful to log into the system, we just click the data from the menu bar and will appear the content box. And the content box, they have many files that name the report that admin can choose the report they want and download. If the admin want to choose the multiple choice also available for the admin, so they can download the multiple file at the same time. After they are already decided to choose the file they want, just click the icon that will appear a dialog box. Then we will show the message that to confirm the file of they want to download. If they are confirmed, just choose the type of the file they want. We have 3 types of the file at here: CSV file, SX file, and PDF file. If they want the PDF, just click the PDF icon and then we will download the file. In the progress of download file, I think it will take several seconds of the time to download it based on the size of the file. After the file is successful to download, also will appear a dialog box that tells the admin the report already download successful, and then the admin can read and view the file.
Hi, I am NURFARISYA YASMIN as a production manager. Now I will present about keyboard page as a main process selected for normal user view. Okay, this is keyboard page in our Smart Table Tools application. User can choose any keyboard language that they want. For example, if user choose Chinese, it will change the keyboard language. After the successful this has a full pop-up. The language of keyboard already changed. So it will display like this after user change Chinese language. And then if user want normal keyboard, user can click the Q word keyboard and it will display like this. And lastly, handwriting. If user want to use handwriting for search notebook, user can click the handwriting and it will display like this. So user can write here. That's all from me about normal user view.
Hi everyone, I'm WONG from class TTT4C. Now I will explain how we perform system changeover for our smart table. In here, we decided to implement pilot operation in smart table system. Pilot operation will be more valued compared to the direct cutover and parallel operation, as it only involves implementation of new system at a selected location. The new system for smart table may only available in specific area in a state. Let me cite an example in our daily life. That is the implementation of should be pay later, which only available in some area, such as Kuala Lumpur. This group of users is called pilot site, and the other system will be continued in the rest of the area, including the pilot site. This may reduce the risk of system failure compared to direct cutover and parallel operations. This is because direct cutover method will replace the old system once the new system has been implemented, and it is not possible to revert back to the old system. The new system only will implement in all the area after getting good responses for the pilot operation. On the other side, parallel operation makes the budget of project become higher than expectation, as they need to pay for two systems at the same time. For the last one, phase operation will cost higher than pilot operation if the separate phase will be in large quantity. Therefore, pilot operation is the best choice for our smart table system, as it is safe and reduces the risk of system failure compared to direct cutover. Besides, it is cost less than the parallel and phase operation. The next question is suggestion for backup the system. I will suggest using the full backups in the first 2 months. For your information, smart table can replace all the books and it is higher risk on data losing. Therefore, full backup in the first 2 months is a better option for educators and students. It makes all the data copied to a storage space such as this. Full backups can help the user to restore all the data if their system has been attacked. In education field, there are lots of activities, notes, and videos prepared by the educators to the students. Thus, full backups is important to help the user get back all the things that they have done before this. However, full backups only suggest in the first 2 months as it is take longer time and allocate more storage space. After that, we suggest to use differential backup as it will back up all the changes data since the previous first backup. It is more useful compared to the incremental backup, as incremental backups only will copy the changes of latest version backup, while the differential is copy changes of data from the first and full version of the backup data. Another reason we choose differential backups for the future is it took less time than a full backup.
Okay, for 5 suggestions to your client to ensure the system are secure from. The first suggestion I give is backup data. Backupping all of your data is a fantastic strategy to protect your business against data breaches. Secondly, we have encrypt data, which is make sure that any sensitive information, such as about students, teachers, or schools, is encrypted. This is due to the fact that encrypted data cannot be readily hacked. So then we have teach avoidance of unsecure websites. Teachers and students should be made aware that visiting vulnerable websites on work computers gives cybercriminals instant access to important data stored on the device. So, as well as browser history and password, as a result, cyber attacks can be avoided. So, the second last, we have used anti-malware and firewall software. It's vital to invest in a well-designed firewall to prevent viruses out of your computer systems. As a result, attackers will be enabled to submit any malicious code that will allow them to hijack our system. Lastly, we have protect the accounts. Protect the accounts, which is for each application and program, each instructor and student must have their own login system, which is like our own account to log in. Individual logins for students and instructor may assist you in a limiting number of cyber attacks. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, it's me. Hi, it's me again. So here we will talk about how client able to save the cost in system implementation phases. So our product smart table is not only using the electric to run the system, but we also have installed the solar panel into the smart table. So when the smart table is low of the battery, so they will have an alert box to tell the user that do you want to continue using solar energy when they are low battery. So this ability is very suitable for the client to save the cost, because when we use the solar energies, it can reduce the cost of the electric.
Okay, now I will summarize our project. In conclusion, this smart table is beneficial to both student and teacher. It also includes some green technology expertise as well as prospective user advantage. This product is designed to investigate the facility of developing of smart table for all student instructors. This smart table also has a variety of interface options that are appropriate for educational system. The primary concept behind this strategy is to supply instructor and student with smart table technology that meets the demand for establishing a learning environment that produces output. That's from me. Bye.